Hi guys, today I will be going on Animal Jam, where you could play wild. So yeah, let's go on Animal Jam. Where the fun never ends, I should say. And this one is me right there. You could play with me online if you want. Let's go visit my den. So yeah, you can come visit my den or do something. Okay, now let's go to world. I like to go here to the beach. I call it the beach because it's fun. Oh, puppy dogs. Gonna go Mimi's. Ooh, ice cream. Ooh, a tiger. Wow. Sleep. Ooh, I'm gonna add him to my friend list. So you can add friends and all that. It's fun. So I'm gonna exit. And so yeah. So ooh, I found a twin of mine. So hope you please play with me on here. I would love for you to play with me. And so yeah. Bye.